think that I'm just like making videos just like because I have to.
Our first house purchase.
And I did something super exciting.
Finally finished it.
Do just what you want. You're the one I trust.
Hello my friends and happy Wednesday and welcome back to another weekly vlog. It has been a while since I've weekly vlogged. I have a lot to say. Let's come in, come close. Oh. Well, firstly, hi, hello, how are you? Hope you guys are all doing well. I've missed you guys. I feel like I've just been a little bit MIA. Like I'm there, but I'm not like there. Do you know what I mean? Like I'm still uploading, I'm still posting, but I just feel like I've been kind of in a weird haze. I haven't been feeling bad, I've actually been feeling good, but I'm just really burnt out, to be quite honest. Like I am just kind of going through the motions and doing the bare minimum in like every aspect of my life. It just kind of got to a point yesterday where I was just like exhausted. And I don't know, you guys can probably pick up on it in the vlogs. I just haven't been feeling 100% myself. So that all changes right here, right now. I have had another really busy day at work. I just got home. It's like almost 4:30. I had another really busy but good day. It was a good day, but it was a busy day. And normally I would come home and just like start editing, start filming, start doing something YouTube related. But I think in order to be like my best self, I also need to take time and prioritize myself. So that's what I'm gonna do. I am just gonna chill out, not do any work. I've just worked like a whole 9-hour day. Like I'm not gonna do any other work today. I'm just gonna read. Just chill out, read, spend time with my husband. I think Nick's actually working late tonight. Speaking of prioritizing yourself, but yeah, Nick is working late tonight, which is not a bad thing. It means that I have like extra time by myself, which I love. That's how I like really recharge. He knows that. We're very opposite in that regard, and that's something that we are constantly navigating. It's like he could spend all day, every day hanging out, and he's probably the one person that I could do that with. But even in our relationship, like I need like half an hour by myself just to like, you know, so that's what I'm gonna do, and I'm gonna do it guilt-free, which is a big thing. Yeah, just trying to recharge, reset, prioritize myself. Just like, I might even run a bath. Why not? Go all out. I just feel like I've been kind of coasting and not really giving my all to anything because I've been feeling this way, gliding through, like not doing things, but also not doing them to their full potential. Do you know what I mean? Like I'm not giving my all to anything. I'm just kind of giving the bare minimum because that's all I have right now. I feel like the turtle from Finding Nemo, just like gliding through life. Just riding the waves, riding the wave, boys. This week, my main focus is to just like prioritize myself, do things that fill my cup, and hopefully that'll reflect in my content and in my relationships and just with everything, like just feeling more myself. I don't even know if this makes any sense. This is a really like heavy way to start the vlog, but hi guys, welcome back to another weekly vlog. I've missed you. If you're new here, hi, my name is Ella. I'm 25 years old and I live in Adelaide. I just recently started a new job as an accounts receivable officer. That's what I do. I work a normal, whatever normal is. I work a 9-to-5 job. It's actually 7:30 till 4. Nobody cares. But yeah, I work a full-time job and also do social media on the side, which I love, but have just been feeling very incredibly burnt out with recently. So just trying to manage it all, manage my own expectations of myself, because sometimes I'm just like, why can't I do it all? Other people do it. Why can't I? But something's got to give, and the thing that's been giving is myself, my own self-care, and just like taking time for myself. Even though, and it's like a fine line I think with social media because I enjoy it so much and it's such a huge passion, it's really easy to just like be like, oh, but I'm doing what I love. And yes, in a lot of ways that is true, but it is still work. It is a source of income for me. And would I be doing some of the things that I have to do, like responding to emails, signing contracts, editing to a timeline? Like would I be doing that if it wasn't for like sponsorships or, you know, making money? Probably not. Like I would do it because I love to do it, but I probably wouldn't be doing it with the intensity that I am. I don't know if that makes any sense. I don't want you to think that I'm just like making videos just like because I have to. I don't even know. I don't even know if I'm making any sense. But anyway, happy Wednesday. I just got home from work. I'm gonna go read and chill out and just spend a little bit of time by myself. Oh.
Also, how beautiful is this afternoon light just streaming through the window? I love it. Don't love the fact that the sun is already setting. It's only 4:30, but this is the book that I am reading right now. I just started it this morning and I'm 55 pages in already because I started reading on my lunch break. But it is the third and final book in the Legend trilogy. Finally, I finished the second one last night. It took me like 6 weeks to read. Not because it was a bad book, but because I couldn't keep my eyes open for more than like 2 pages. But we finally finished it and I've already made a good start with this one. I really like the trilogy and I'm determined to finish it this week. So that is what I'm reading. I'm gonna get back to this. I have a feather on my desk. What is that about?
Not me literally like running in, setting up my camera just to get that shot. I just got home from work. Let me take my cover off. I've literally had this on all day because it is so bloody cold in the office. It's not actually cold in the office, it's actually very warm. But where I sit in the office, it's bloody freezing. So I had this on all day. But yeah, I just got home from work. I worked 4:30, no. I worked 7:30 till 4 again today, as per usual. And yeah, I just got home. It's just gone past 4:30. Yeah, today was just one of those days where I feel like I never truly woke up. Do you know what I mean? What a mood. Last night, I had every intention of running myself a nice bath and reading. I read it a little bit, but then I passed out at like 8 o'clock. 8 p.m. Am I a 90-year-old grandma? Like, sorry. Clearly my body needed it, so I slept for like a full 10 hours and I'm so tired. So love that. I'm clearly in my tired gal era, but I'm honestly over it. I want to be like booked, busy, not even being productive necessarily, but I want to be able to keep my eyes open long enough for me to read, and I just can't right now. So that's fun. Yeah, I don't know what's wrong with me. I tried every trick in the book today. I went for a walk on my lunch break, just like get some movement in, get some fresh air. Still didn't wake me up. I had a second cup of coffee, still did nothing. Like I'm one tired gal. I think this is like the first time in a long time that I've actually just taken to like rest, and my body's just like, you know, clearly I need to listen to my body more and look after myself. That's clearly the message of this week's vlog, is to look after yourself, prioritize yourself, and don't let yourself get burnt out because it's not cute and it's not pretty. But yeah, I'm home now. It is Friday Eve. The sun is shining, the birds are chirping. Tomorrow we're having pizzas for lunch at work, which I was organizing, so that'll be really nice. Just like something quick and easy. It's gonna be a good day. I have a fun weekend planned, catching up with some friends, catch up with some friends again. It's gonna be a pretty social weekend, but then I have a lot of YouTube work to do, which is why I really wanted to take most of this week after work to just like chill out and not really do a whole lot, because it's, yeah, gonna be a pretty busy weekend. No one else is home yet. My parents are still at work and Nick is as well, so I have the house to myself, which is a rare occurrence. I'm gonna get changed out of my work clothes, unwind for the evening, and I'm cooking dinner tonight. I think we're having toddlatelli, which is just like pasta. I'll have the recipe linked down below if anyone is interested. It's like our favorite go-to easy quick dinner. Nick and I used to cook it all the time when we were living by ourselves on like a grocery night, because we used to go grocery shopping on a Monday, and then we would cook it afterwards because it's just like quick and easy and super tasty. So I'll have the recipe linked down below if anyone is curious. That is what I'm cooking tonight.
Good morning, you guys, and happy Friday. It is Friday, the best time of the week. I'm about to head off to work, have a good time, come home, and have a good weekend. I'm so excited. I swear. No, I'm not even gonna say it because I say it literally every weekend. We're over it at this point. But yeah, that's my cue to leave. I'm gonna go grab a coffee because it is Coffee Friday and have myself a very good day. I hope you guys will have a good day too, or night, whenever you're watching this. Guys, it is now 3. I decided to take the rest of this afternoon to work from home because I have a task that I need, not necessarily my full attention because it really is just like inputting information. Like I don't need to concentrate necessarily, but I need no distractions. Like I can't be interrupted. Do you know what I mean? I don't know if that makes any sense. Where my office is, there's like constant movement, people constantly walking past, asking questions, saying hello, which is great, and I love it because I do work by myself. It's nice to like have these little snippets of interaction, but there are some tasks where I need to just like focus. I started to do it in the office and I just kept getting interrupted and having to restart. So yeah, I have come home. I'm gonna finish off the last hour or so of work here, and yeah, have myself a good day. I'm really lucky that in this job I have that as an option, like that I do have that flexibility of working from home if I needed to. I said in my last vlog I actually enjoy being in the office, and I genuinely do. Ideally, like in an ideal world, I would have a mix of both. So maybe like 3 days in the office, 2 days working from home, just so I can like save on the commute a couple days a week, because that does take out a big chunk of the day, and I just feel like the commute itself is the most tiring part, and that is an option. I can 100% do all of my job from home. It's just not really like the done thing in the office. The only time people really work from home is if they have kids, like if they're on school holidays, or if they're sick, but like not sick enough to not work, if that makes sense. There's like maybe like 1 or 2 permanent work from home people. That's not really the done thing, which is why I haven't worked from home, like done a proper full work from home day, but it's something that I would like to do. The first few months it was good for me to be in office every single day, but now I kind of have like a handle on things. It'd be nice to work from home, even like 1 or 2 days a week, like just nothing crazy. I don't want to work from home all the time, but you know, just to save on that travel time, that would be really nice. And just have that flexibility, but we'll see. Anyway, I'm gonna log back on, fire up my laptop, and yeah, get on with all of this data entry. It's literally just data entry. It's probably gonna be the most boring thing ever. This is my little Bible at work. The lady who went on maternity leave before me, she gave this to me, and it just has like all of the information, basically a step-by-step on absolutely everything. And you know what's like such a good feeling? When you start a new job and you're constantly referring to like your guidebook, and then you suddenly find yourself like 6 weeks later, like not even, I put this away entirely, apart from this one task I needed it for. But like otherwise, I do not refer to this at all, which is so nice. So like I know what I'm doing. I don't have to second guess myself. The first couple weeks, I was like constantly referring to this, and now I don't even touch it. It's in my drawer at work. See you later. Don't even need you. I do need you today, actually. I've never done this thing before. It's like very straightforward, but I need my login details. Okay, here we go. I'm gonna finish off the work day from home, and then we'll see what we get up to tonight. Happy Friday, you guys. Now 4:35, just finished work for the day. Also picked up a couple of packages on my way home, which I can finally unbox. Our first house purchase, which is so exciting, so I'll show you guys what we got. Okay, well firstly, is this not the cutest message on a box you've ever seen in your entire life? Like I actually have tears in my eyes. So sweet. We picked out our dinnerware set for our new house, which is so exciting. We got 2 of the exact same because it's just a 12-piece dinner set, so it comes with 4 big plates, 4 bowls, and then 4 small little plates. Yeah, I'll show you guys what it looks like. We saw it at Maya last weekend when it was on sale, but they only had 1 set in stock, so we ordered it online, and I'm obsessed. I don't even know if you can see in this light. It's like a white speckled color with this natural brown rim. So beautiful. I feel like it's gonna go perfectly in our new house. So exciting, our first proper house purchase. Cheers.
Do we have to do a
Good morning, you guys, and happy Saturday. It's not even the morning, it's like 1 o'clock. Good afternoon, you guys. I am just sitting in the car. Nick's just gone into the bakery to get some lunch. I'm just sitting in the car with Miss Lillian. Do you want to say hi? Say hi. Yeah, we just went for a nice walk in the rain. Hello. Whoa. Got the goods. Oh, that smells good.
It's Cornish pasty.
2 pumpkin pasties, please.
Oh, I think someone else thinks it smells good. Hello.
We just went for a nice walk in the rain. I had brunch with the gals. Nick's jealous because this was the first time me, Bridget, Ashley and Pip, we went out for, shout out to them because I know they watch the vlogs. We all know each other through our partners, and all the boys were like, "You're hanging out without us?" It's like, yeah, we are.
Yeah.
We had a lovely brunch.
I'm glad.
And yeah, now we're heading home. The Crows are playing.
They're winning by 1 point.
Let's hope it stays that way for the sake of our relationship. We don't want a grumpy Nicholas. And we're gonna have a chill evening, I think. It's really cold and rainy today. It's not really a vibe, but yeah. I actually have a bunch of filming to do, but I feel like I might procrastinate and just do it tomorrow.
We're going out tomorrow.
Tomorrow morning.
Again.
But I just don't feel in the mood.
Yeah, well, don't force it, you know what I mean?
Yeah,
Otherwise,
I'll just do it in the morning when you have cricket. I need a chill day. I just need to relax. It's my week of relaxing and looking after myself.
I love that. I really do.
I'm gonna play Sims, read, watch a movie maybe.
Sounds good. That sounds lovely.
Wholesome weekend.
Yeah.
It is a lot later now. It's like almost 7 o'clock. Nick just went out to go pick up some dinner for us. We're having Zamburros tonight, which just sounds quite ideal. I didn't feel like cooking. Do I ever feel like cooking? But also didn't feel like McDonald's or KFC or something like that. Like I just wanted something fresh, you know? As fresh as Zamburros can be. He's just going to pick that up. I'm gonna have a chill evening in, which I'm so excited for. It's been a really relaxed afternoon. I read. I'm nearly done with my book, finally. I'm like out of my reading slump. Also, this afternoon, I did something super exciting. Well, maybe exciting for me, maybe not for you, but I finally decided to get myself a damn PO box. It has been a long time coming. I've been on YouTube on and off for like 10 plus years. And over the years, I've had so many DMs, so many emails from you guys asking if you can send me stuff, which is just like the sweetest. And unfortunately, I've always had to decline, just, you know, obviously for safety reasons. But finally, I decided to get my butt into gear and actually get myself a PO box. So I do have somewhere for you guys to send stuff to if you ever want to. Absolutely no obligation, no expectation, but just for anyone that ever has wanted to or does want to. My new PO box is PO Box 139, Oaklands Park, SA 5046. I'll have it down below as well in case anyone is interested, but that's super exciting. Also just like good to have for brands so I don't have to give out my personal address. Just a good time. So that was an exciting development. I feel very adult having a PO box. Like, oh, who is she? A girl with a PO box. Look out. We got the goods. Oh,